Good morning, folks. Reporting live from the Keystone State, back again, headed today towards Liberty Mountain Resort, located in Fairfield, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 620 feet of vertical, 21 total trails there at the resort, 18 are open. We've just entered March. We're nearing the end of Mid-Atlantic skiing. It's been quite the season with you guys. I'm excited to get back to Liberty. Last year I assessed it a 3.2 shred score, so not going to be giving one today. Looking forward to getting on the hill, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Liberty Mountain Resort. What a day it was out there. You know, I had a good time. Last season I gave this place a 3.2 shred score, so no new score. Had a blast out there. You know, it's 60 degrees right now, so running the AC back in the car is kind of interesting after skiing. If I don't get back out on the Mid-Atlantic this season, it was a blast traveling with you guys all around the Mid-A mountains, so thanks for tuning in. We're going to be taking this voyage to Utah, starting in Brighton, and then we're going to end up only God knows where. Had a blast shredding here with you guys all year, so thanks for tuning in. Looking forward to getting to Utah, and I'll see y'all next time.